In this video, I will show you how you can turn on or turn off screensaver on your Glaxay A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Display. Now under the Display settings, just tap on Screensaver. Now over here, if you want to turn on Screensaver, you have a few options. For example, you have the option for Photo Table, Photo Frame, Device Control, or Colors. For example, I'll select Colors. Now, if I go to the lock screen, then if I plug my phone into charge, now let's leave this phone until the screen goes black. And once the screen goes black, you will see the effect which you have selected on the screen. In our case, since we have selected colors, this gradient effect will appear on the screen as a screensaver, just like that. But if you want to turn off this feature, just select None. Now after you select None, the screensaver feature will be disabled on your Samsung phone, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.